The All About Life Javi blog. Tips and tricks for today's travelers. Bucket list. What is it and what does it mean to you? Javier Molina. Sunday, March 31st, 2019 at 16:15. The All About Life Javi blog. Tips and tricks for today's travelers. Bucket list. What is it and what does it mean to you? Javier Molina. Sunday, March 31st, 2019 at 16:15. Bucket list. What is it? Do we need it? Does it fulfill some higher purpose, or is it something that we do to make the fact that we are only living for a short period of time on this earth more bearable? So let's begin with the elephant in the room. What is a bucket list? A bucket list is a list of outrageous things you want to do before you die. You write this list of insanity because you don't want to lie on your deathbed and think about all the things you did and all the things you wish you would have done but didn't because you were too afraid to go through with it. What you don't want is regret, or do you? You don't want to think that you lived your life within your comfort zone and never did anything dangerous or adventurous. So now let's talk about what should be on your bucket list. Should there be things that you are afraid of doing? Yeah, there should be things that you wouldn't do unless you force yourself to do them, among other things. For example, if you're afraid of doing something, if you like spiders, maybe on your bucket list you should have to hold a spider. But let's not get carried away. Your bucket list doesn't always have to have such craziness. One bucket list could be to watch a sunrise. All you need to know is that whatever you put on it, make sure that it is something you will always remember.